This is my idea for a sliding adjustable Fishstair feed. There's a little deflector here which sits on a series of pulleys moved by the pulley on the front, which moves up and down, deflecting marbles from an upper lane coming from the Fishstair to wherever they are needed within the machine. Underneath all this, somewhere, there would have to be some sort of eye-line level indicator, so Martin, when he's playing the machine, can see which lanes are running out and he can move the Fishstair feed to wherever is required. Let me set up with some marbles and we'll give it a go. Okay, so I've got 4 marbles. The Fishstair feeds 4 marbles at a time, and I'm going to adjust this to different positions, and then you can see how it would affect the divider. So they come out along the top divider here, and then get deflected into there. Now, don't get worried about these 2 that are stuck, because the next one along will push that in. Okay, now let's decide we want to, oh, we're running out of marbles here, so we move the slider along. And now they're deflected in at this point here. Let's put another 4 marbles in here. They've all gone in too. Okay, wait, now we're running out here. Martin sees that, moves the divider. Imagine they're coming in with a little bit more speed than this. Oops, I'm running out here. Etc.